guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. My name is Jasmine. I am so glad you guys are here. Well, as you know, I love to share spoilers, usually boxycharm, but this video is going to be a little bit different because we're going to be talking about Ipsy, and as you know, it's going to be 3 different bags in this case. So we're going to talk about Glam Bag, which is the one that's $12 per month. We're going to talk about Glam Plus and Glam Ultimate. We're going to go inside and check out what the spoilers are, and as you see, this is the theme of the bag so far. So let's go ahead and get started with the Ipsy Glam Bag. And as you see, this is the bag that will be expected if you want to join the Glam Bag. The subscription will be $12 and you will receive 5 deluxe samples every month. So let's go ahead and check out what those 5 deluxe samples are. Keep in mind that there's always a variation depending on your test, on your quiz, on your beauty quiz. So these are just a few for you guys to have an idea what could be expected for the month of September. So the first one we see, and as you know, they're going to be deluxe samples. This one is Benefit Cosmetics, and this is a Pore Professional Hydrate Primer. This was an item that we did receive as a choice for boxycharm a few months ago. And it is a pretty good primer, and this one is the newer one that this one's going to help hydrate as well. And as you know, you only need a little bit just to attack those areas that you want to cover a little bit, like the pore areas and the fine lines. And guys, it's so lightweight and it works so great, especially for me that have sensitive and oily skin. So the second sneak peek is Tarte Big Eagle Mascara. I have tried this mascara as well, and I was very impressed with the packaging, but yet how well it applies too. There's some mascara that could leave your lashes looking kind of glumpy, or it's too much product and they don't look too cute, but this one it does. And as you see, this will be ultra black. It's going to be flake free. Is Beacon Mascara, and it's going to instantly lift, lengthen, and volumize your lashes for 16 hours straight. Now that I think about it, I'm like, you know what? I forgot about this mascara, so I should just keep using it again. The next product is from Pixi by Petra, Endless Silky Eye Pen Duo, and you will see that there's black, caviar, and bronze beam. This is a waterproof, super long wear, no smudge, no budge eyeliner. So this is a third sneak peek. The fourth sneak peek is from Pyt Beauty Day to Night Eyeshadow in Cool. Those are, yes, it does look like summer to fall. They're giving me like everyday wear, everyday color, and it's perfect for summer and fall, but I see more fall. And these are Cool Tones eyeshadow palette with 4 pigmented day to night shades. It looks like 2 matte and 2 shimmer shades there. The next sneak peek is from Skin Regimen. It's a cleansing cream, and it's a non-drying foaming cream, and it's gonna easily remove makeup, SPF, dust, and residue to leave your skin ultra clean. And that's key. Sometimes your cleanser may remove a little bit of makeup, but sometimes how do you know if it removes SPF? And I love that it does say that there. And it does consist of organic superfood extracts and a high-tech molecule counteracting the effects of stress and aging accelerators. So next we have Perlis Youth Glow Vitamin C CC Cream SPF 50. I've been using the BB cream, and it does has SPF from Perlis, and I really love how it's giving me my skin look so natural, yet it feels so lightweight, and it's perfect for the summer. This one is different because it's a vitamin C, and it's going to be a multitasking color correcting cream that glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the brightening, age define, and sunscreen benefits of a foundation and CC cream. Plus, it's enhanced with 15% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid to keep you moisturized. So this sounds such like a good product to even try. And then we have, this is sneak peek number 7, is Shayna B Miami Contour Brush. I really love a contour brush that has an angle like that, and I'm loving those to apply my contour. I think it's perfect and precise, and then with another brush you could just blend it out. I am really loving a contour brush, and this is an item you will be getting. Well, hopefully you will get this in your bag. And lastly, for the Ipsy Glam Bag, this is from Pacifica Beauty. It's Dessert. No, sorry guys, Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronzer. Look how cute this is. You will get the matte blush and a bronzer is a duo. I think this is perfect on the go to have it on your bag. And it does have a matte finish, which makes it great for giving that little shine there. The blush will leave you with a natural looking rosy flush. So this is an idea how you could see what the glam bag might look like, but like I said, these are just a few of those sneak peeks, and then once the full box is revealed or the full glam bag is shown in your Ipsy app, you will be able to see all of the items that are expected and the variations for the month of September. So now that we have an idea what's expected for the glam bag, let's go ahead and move on to the Glam Bag Plus. This one you will pay $25. The value is going to be $120 plus. And in this bag you will get 5 full-size products and 1 choice item, and I believe that choice window already closed. But if you do subscribe and you continue the subscription, just know that you will have the opportunity to select an item for the future bags. So the first one we already started with the brush. I like that. This is Silk Bronzer from Yensa. Bronzing base and brush. That's what it says there, base and brush. This is a lightweight silk cream bronzer. Is infused and 8H defined black superfood to give you a natural and healthy sunlit glow. Sometimes the best way to know is by trying out the product itself, and sometimes you will find that the brush that might say is for bronzer, you may even like it for highlighter, contour, or even for the foundation. So it does look like a pretty good brush. The second sneak peek for the Glam Bag Plus is the Go-To Skincare Fancy Face Oil Cleanser. This is an oil cleanser, and it's a cleanser that's going to strip your skin. It's not a vibe. The luxurious cleansing oil leaves your skin nourished, supple, and super soft. Yeah, I always like to do a double cleanse, especially if I have SPF, makeup, and all of that. And I did use oil at some point. Now I'm using balm. I really like a balm. So this one, it looks like a good product as well. And it's a good way to actually include this in your skincare routine if you get this in your bag. The next product is called Fading MD Mist RX Daily Nutrient Facial Mist. Wow, that sounds very convincing just with the title of a facial mist. This is an ultra fine. I love that it's ultra fine mist. Sometimes I have a mist and it could be a little bit thick and it just leaves like some splotches around of that on top of your makeup, and that's not cute. So this is good that it's an ultra fine mist and it's infused with extra boost of minerals, antioxidants, and it feels and nutrients. So anytime it feels stressed or dehydrated, you can even spritz it on over makeup to keep it looking dewy and vibrant while setting your look in place. Next, guys, we have the Beauty Blender, and this is the original Beauty Blender makeup sponge. This doesn't need any introduction actually. So I'm glad that this will be provided in the bag. Hopefully everybody gets it, I hope. Next, we have Abund Skincare Glycolic Acid Rejuvenating Face Exfoliator. So this sounds pretty good just with the glycolic acid alone. And as you know, that's going to help treat the fine lines, acne, blackheads, dullness, and oiliness. What's going to promote firmer, glowing skin. We have tried this from boxycharm as well, and they have so many different ones. And this one, I love anything that does have glycolic acid. Next, we move on with another product from the same brand, but this one is Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum. And this is a serum that's going to give you that collagen to promote elasticity, to help hydrate, replenish, and repair your skin. So that sounds pretty good. Then we have sneak peek number 7 for the Glam Bag Plus, Seraphian Botanicals. I've seen this brand before for mascara, and I believe it was a product for the lips from this brand from boxycharm, but I have not seen a palette, and this palette looks, I think, perfect for the fall. It says Sakura, Sage, Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. Look at the colors, and it says, am I reading this right? It says Everyday Essential Shades. This 100% vegan palette delivers a smooth, creamy payoff that feels as good as it looks. Evening primrose, sage oils, oregano, lavender, cherry blossom, and rosemary extract that help keep your skin gently hydrated, soothed, and glowing. This is wow. I'm loving the color, but I am loving the extracts that it does have for this palette. I am blown away with this. I love the name Seraphian Botanicals. So guys, look at this cute bag right here. This could be a variation right here, and it looks very pretty for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And as you can see, this is what that bag will look like for the month of September. So now let's go ahead and move on to the big bag. This is the Glam Bag Ultimate. This bag, oops, sorry guys, I left 25. No, this one costs $50. The value will be $250 worth. It comes with 8 full-size items, and in addition, you will get 4 deluxe size sample products, and you also have will be able in the future months to select a product, one choice item. Here we see that brand that we just mentioned, but this one is a serum. The one for the other bag was a mist. This one is a serum, and this one's going to boost your natural radiance. It's going to brighten and even skin tone, and it's going to minimize the look of fines, and it has vitamin C, ferulic acid, vitamin B, and vitamin E. So oh, that sounds like a great cocktail for your skin. Next guys, we have Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base, and this is going to help fade those blurs, the appearance of pores and fine lines. And as you know how this one is a pretty good product from Huda Beauty. Next we have Kaja Beauty Bento Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. So it's so cute how these come together, and it's a trio eyeshadow. Then we have Nature Lab Tokyo Shampoo Conditioner and Treatment Trio. I am so excited for this product. I have tried this brand I tried it out for the shampoo first, and it does say that it has a bamboo stem technology that it does help with to moisturize your hair, but also to help it with the frizz. At least the shampoo that I tried, and I did see that my hair improved. So I am loving that they are introducing this product, guys, for Ipsy. And this one, if you leaves hair damage behind as you transition into fall, with the best repair set. And the shampoo is going to strengthen and protect weak strands. The conditioner is a potent blend of prickly pear seed oil and bamboo stem technology for strong, vibrant hair and color. And then the mask is a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment. It was cute because the way that the bottle came, it looked like a lab. So I am excited to see this product for Ipsy. Then we have Sueva Caramel Melange Eyeshadow Palette. We did see this in boxycharm. There was so many different variations. Sadly, I never got one of those. So I'm glad to see this palette here as well. And this one, as you see, is going with the fall theme. And I love this, the name that it says caramel. And it has butterscotch, caramelized golden creme brulee. Oh, sounds so good, especially for the fall. Then we have Julep Cushion Complexion Concealer. I am loving this. You have a primer, you have a product to treat your hair, and you have the concealer, you have a palette. Did I say palette? And that primer. So this is looking like a pretty good bag. And this is a concealer that's going to help correct, illuminate, blur, and brighten to give you from medium to full coverage. And guys, this is how that bag is looking like. It's interesting because we're seeing other products that were not mentioned, like the brush. We see Sunday Riley on this sneak peek shown here. We see Galactic. I have received this product from boxycharm as well. And then we see another mascara here. So for the Glam Bag Ultimate, this looks like a pretty good bag. So Guys, this concludes this video. I wanted to show you and talk about a little bit of those products that they did mention, but keep in mind that there's other products or other variations, but that way you get to see exactly what's coming for each bag. But you know what else, you guys get to see what the bag will look like for the month of September. That way you have time to select and make your decision if you want to subscribe to Ipsy for the month of September. So thank you guys for watching this video, and on to the next video. Bye.